Hello and welcome to DIY with Ashley. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a tooth fairy pillow. The supplies you'll need for this DIY are a 1/4 yard or a fat quarter of fabric, rotary cutters or fabric shears, an acrylic ruler, a hem guide, sewing pins, hand sewing needle and matching thread, stuffing, a cutting mat, an iron and an ironing board, a sewing machine, and matching thread. Before we start cutting our fabric, it's always good habit to pre-wash it. Next, we'll cut 2 squares 7 by 7 inches. And we'll also need 1 rectangle 3.5 inches by 5 inches. After our fabric pieces are cut out, we'll start making the pocket for the pillow. Plug in your iron and grab your ironing board and hem guide. Flip the pocket piece over, then fold the top down 1/2 inch. Go ahead and iron that, and fold down another 1/2 inch and iron that as well. Once we're done creating the top piece, we're going to go ahead and stitch along the edge about 1/8 of an inch away. With the top of the pocket sewn, we're going to fold over the sides and bottom 1/2 inch and iron them down. Now we're going to use our acrylic ruler to position our pocket in the center of the pillow. Once we find the center, we can go ahead and pin the pocket to the pillow. If you're going to add a decal or a patch to the front, you can go ahead and do so at this point. Take your back piece with the pocket and sew 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch away from the edge to attach the pocket. Be sure to backstitch when you start and when you finish. It's okay to sew a little past the top of the pocket, it'll help reinforce it. Next, take your front piece and lay it on top of your back piece with the right sides together. Pin all the way around the pillow using your sewing pins, and go ahead and mark a 3-inch opening at the bottom. We're going to use this opening to turn the pillow right side out. Sew around the pillow using a 1/2 inch seam allowance, but don't forget to leave that 3-inch opening at the bottom. Once your pillow is sewn, take your scissors and clip the corners. Clipping the corners will help when you turn the pillow right side out. You can use a turning stick or the end of a paintbrush to push your corners out. To make my pillow look professional, I'm going to iron it flat before I add stuffing. Place your stuffing in the 4 corners first and use your turning stick to help fill them in. Then begin stuffing the rest of your pillow until it feels nice and full. Be sure to evenly distribute the stuffing inside. When you're done stuffing your pillow, go ahead and thread your hand sewing needle and sew the opening shut. We're going to sew it shut using a whip stitch. After the opening is sewn, tie a few knots at the end of your thread and cut off the excess. These little pillows are incredibly easy to make, and your little one is sure to love helping customize their own tooth fairy pillow. really hope you liked this video tutorial. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and click the little notifications bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.